Today we're going to take a look at a handy little tool. This is a Steck mini pogo stick. This tailgate is over 500 bucks used, so we're going to try to save this one. We'll weld a couple studs right in here and use that pogo stick to pry those dents out. Here's a close-up of one of the dents and a close-up of the other. You can see it's pushed in or creased right here. Hopefully you can see what's going on. We clamped a board right here to distribute the pressure that we pry against. We'll be prying there and pulling this dent. This is from a slide hammer, but if you don't have a slide hammer to connect to the studs, the slide hammer attaches like that, you can use a vice grips. And so now we'll just pry right here, pulling up on that. Here's another shot, and we move this over to here. We'll alternate between these three, hitting the high areas, which will help this come up. We added a couple studs in the middle, so we'll go and pull those now. And that's good for that one. Sometimes you might find the studs aren't strong enough and pull off. In that case, you can weld a shim into place and pull from that. Now that we have it close, we'll fill this with some body filler, prime it, and paint it. I hope you enjoyed this video on using the mini pogo stick. If you did, and you'd like to get my latest videos, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.